Good morning, Shlo.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
Lakshya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Laksh. How are you?
I'm fine.
Now your health is good, bacha? Feeling
Yes.
good? Okay. Everyone, sit with your Maths Ahead book and your Jodo Gyan kit. Okay? Your Jodo Gyan kit and your Maths Ahead book. Both thing I want together.
मैम कितने पेज पर?
बच्चा, I'll tell you, not right now, afterwards. हम जब start करेंगे ना, at that time I will tell you what you have to write.
मैम आपका कैमरा ऑफ.
नहीं बच्चा, my camera is on. Network issue is there. Might be that's why you are not able to see.
मैम.
Yes. You like this kit? Which kit? The Jodo Gyan kit. Okay. Okay, let's start with the prayer. Everyone. Okay, join your hands. Everyone, Khanak, you have to sit with your Maths Ahead book and your Jodo Gyan kit. Okay? Maths. Okay, I think so you have not brought the kit, right? Okay, fine. Chalo, now everyone, join your hands. Close your eyes. We'll do the prayer. Sit properly, huh? I want everyone to close your eyes. Everything I am, everything I'll be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the word so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay, Now rub your hands. Rub your hands. Put it on your eyes. Put it on your eyes. Again, rub your hand. Rafas. Then put it on your face. Who is not doing? Shlok, why you are not doing? Okay, now today we are going to do. We will sit in a Padmasana position. Everybody will sit Padmasana and we will do Omkaram. Okay? Right? So everyone close your eyes. Put it your hands on the knees and sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in and say Oh. Again, breathe in. Everybody has to do. Third time, breathe in. And you have to breathe out and you have to say Oh. Sit for 5 seconds slightly like this. Open your eyes. Okay, once again rub your hand and put it on your knee, our face. Okay. Now, as we all know that now the weathers are changing. You know what are the different types of the weather? I'll show you. Okay. This is called, what is this called? Windy. Called windy. This is called sunny day. This is windy day. This is sunny day. This is stormy day. Stormy means whenever there is a rain or जो बिजली कड़कती है, that is called stormy. So windy, sunny, stormy, then rainy. This is called rainy when the बारिश is there. So that is called rainy. फिर कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, we feel that there is going to be a rain, but there is no rain. So that is called cloudy. What we will say? Cloudy. So this is cloudy. And then this is winter. This is called winter. Okay? So again, I'm telling you, windy, sunny, stormy, cloudy, rainy, cloudy, and wintry. Okay? Hey, you are not paying attention. You will tell me what are these weather called. Chalo. Which weather is called? Hey, what is this called?
Raining.
What is this called? Windy. Windy. No, this is windy. This is stormy. And this is sunny. And cloudy and wintry. So how is the weather? आज का weather कैसा है? Who will tell me? How is the weather? Yes, today's weather is sunny. So ma'am is moving the cursor and put it on a sunny day. Okay. So what is today's weather? Today's weather is sunny. Okay, you have to know every day now you are going to tell me the weather. So how is the weather? Today's weather is sunny. Now, as yesterday it was, which date? What is the date yesterday? It was 6th, okay? 6th April. So what is today's date?
6th.
No. What will come after 6? 7. Yes. So today's date is 7. Okay? Yes, today's date. Okay, now mute your microphone and listen to me. Today's date is 7th April. So for April, January, February, May. Who's saying? January, February, March, April. So April we will write number 4. January, February, March, April. For April we will write number 4. So here 7, 4. Okay, 4 means April. What is the meaning of 4? 4 means April. For number April, we will write number 4. Paki, pay attention. Paki, pay attention in the class. And stop playing Paki. Then what is the year? Today is with, right now which year is going on? 2021. So we will write like this. So today's date is 7th April 2021. Okay. So next time whenever you have to say April, for April you will write number 4. Okay. 7th April 2021. 21 is the year. Now, what is the day today? Yesterday it was Tuesday, right? So, what will come after Tuesday? Wednesday. So, today is Wednesday. Now, we are going to do the same thing every day. We are going to check out the weather. We will see the dates. Okay? So, every day we are going to do that. So, here we are done with this. Yes, Yanvi, you are showing the bottle. Okay, why you are showing the bottle? Okay, the noise. Okay, you have done that activity. Very good. Very good. That's very nice. You have done that. Okay, as we have done a big. Okay, show me this. Hriday, show me the picture properly. Everyone, have you completed this activity? I told you have to put it the handprint. And you will stick. Yes, you will stick this. Very good, Hriday. You will stick this in your plain notebook. You have a plain notebook, right? You have a plain notebook? Yes, very good, Khana. Okay, just listen to me. You have a plain notebook like this. So over there, you have to stick that page, that handprint wala page. You have to open that and you have to stick here. Okay, you have this book. You all have this book. This is a plain book where you have got it. There is nothing in that book. No lines. Divan, stop eating your handkerchief and whatever it is there in your mouth. Okay, so over there, आपने जो activity की है ना handprint वाली, you will stick it here. Okay? Yes. Very good, the one who has done the activity. That is very nice. Chalo. So now we have done that big, small, bigger and smaller. Yes, somebody is saying yes, Laksha. Yes.
क्या टिक करना है?
क्या बच्चा?
क्या टिक करना है?
Laksha, yesterday है ना ma'am ने has given one activity that is hand printing. You have to do hand printing of your or mama or dada for big and small, and that you have to do in A4 size paper and you can stick in that notebook. Okay? So we have done big and small, bigger and small, smaller. Now what we are going to do, I will show you one object and you have to tell me what is the difference between that. Okay, I have this. This is a eraser. Okay, then this is a pen. And I have one marker. Okay, so this is, you have to do the comparison between. Okay, first of all, we will do the comparison between this. Apart from this both, which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Pink marker. Yes. So this is highlighter. The pink highlighter is bigger, right? This eraser is small. The highlighter is big. Yes, Kia. Your answer is correct. I got to know. Here this big. But if I will add one more object to this, that is okay. Can you listen to me? Can you listen to me? Can you listen to me? If yes, then now this eraser is smaller than the highlighter. Okay, the eraser is smaller than the highlighter, and now the highlighter is the smaller than the board pen. Okay, so जब भी आप कोई भी object को comparison करेंगे, whenever you are going to compare the objects, you have to see which one is the bigger one and which one is the smaller one. Okay, so from all these three objects, this is the bigger one. Right? All from these three objects, this is the bigger one and which is the smaller one? This is the smaller one. Okay? Now one more thing. Who is that? Okay, I have a glass bottle. One more bottle is there. Okay, now you can do the comparison. Which one is the smaller and which one is the bigger?
This one.
Right? Okay, this one is bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
And this one is smaller. Now I am taking one more object that is very tiny. Jar is bigger. Yes, Nivan, very good, correct. Here I have one small, look like a medicine, but it is not a medicine. So here I have this. Okay. Now you have to compare three things. This is small, then big and bigger. Okay. Now you have to tell me which is the bigger one. Which is the bigger one?
Jar.
R is the bigger one and which is the smaller one? The medicine look like a medicine is a smaller one. हाँ, तो अभी आप है ना, what you are going to do? You will take your Jodo Gyan kit right now and you will show me big, bigger and biggest. Okay? Like this is big, bigger and biggest. Okay? उसी तरीके से आप three objects मुझे उसमें से दिखाएंगे where you can show me comparison of three things: big, bigger and biggest, small, smaller and smallest. Okay? I can show you one example right now so that you can understand how you have to do. You have to show me right now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
smaller.
You have to show me three. Same kind of thing. No, no. I'll show you.
Small.
Kia, you just speak. Big, bigger, and biggest. So you have to show me like this. The objects have the same size and same thing. Bigger, biggest, bigger, and big. This is the way you have to show me. Now, if you will shout, I will not listen to you. Very good. Yes, very good. I can see. Just a second. Okay. Wait a minute. I can see Vedika is showing very correctly. Very good, Vedika. Hriday is showing very correctly. Very good. Yani, you also showing me very correctly. Kia, your is correct. Shivek, very good. I understood. Very nice. Shri, where is your kit? I want your Jodo Gyan kit. I don't want this. Yes, Nivan, even I can see your is also correct.
and pencil
Bigger.
and scissors.
Small.
Ayansh, show me properly. I can't see you, bacha. Okay,
ठीक है.
Vedika.
સૌથી મોટું હોય ને એ તો best કહેવાય.
See, this is the biggest, bigger, and with big. Okay, big, bigger, and biggest. These are the. Everyone, just mute your microphone. Whose microphone is on? I can see Kia, Shiven, Ayansh. Microphone. Your microphones are on. Please mute your microphone.
Microphone off करने.
See, when ma'am is saying something to you, you have to listen it very carefully. Biggest, bigger, and big. Biggest, bigger, and big. Now we will do the same way for smaller. Okay. You have a small. Also, the kits are there. 2 and 3. Okay, so smallest, smaller, and small. Okay, so that is also you can show me. You have to show me the first picture of small, small, smaller, and smallest. Okay, got it? Yes, very good, very good. I can see everybody is doing that. Is very nice. Well done. Very good, Hriday, Vedika, Nivan. I understood you are showing. Even Yanvi, Kia has showed me. Himay, what are you doing? Why you are taking all this different? Where is your Jodo Gyan kit? Himay, where is your Jodo Gyan kit?
Ma'am.
Yes, Laksha. Yes, Laksha. Very good. Correct. Done. Very nice. Yes, Shri. Shri, you have to. Very good. Shri, very good. Yes. Now, okay, Khanak. Khanak is showing me triangle. Khanak, describe all the 3. Abhi Khanak ko sunenge sab. Very good, Hate. I can see yours also. Khanak. Very good. Smaller. Okay, fine. That is also you can say. But right now, when ma'am is seeing you for the smaller concept, so how you will say small, smaller, and smallest. Okay, smaller, smallest, smaller, and small. Okay. If you have to say with the bigger, so how you will say biggest, bigger, and big. Okay. Done. Now, I think everybody understood this concept. Yes, Paki, I got to know that you have done. Show me properly, Paki. Little bit upward. Paki, little bit up. Okay, Paki. Very good. Very nice. Yes,
Ma'am.
very good, Shiven. Very good. Correct.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Shlok, I can see on Shlok, you have to show me the same shape, not a different shape.
Ma'am, bigger, smaller, and smaller.
Okay. आप उसको ऐसे भी compare. Yes. If you have to compare big and small, you can say big, small. Okay. And this circle is bigger than this one. This circle is smaller than this one. Okay, so you can compare it any way, in any other way. Okay. Now everyone, very good, Arav. I can see yours also, bacha. Very good. Now here we are done with this activity. Everyone, keep your Jodo Gyan kit and shapes aside. Now we will not play with this. Keep it aside. Keep it aside, everyone. Okay, now keep it aside. Now take your Maths Ahead book. Take your Maths Ahead book. Yes, take your Maths Ahead book. Open the page number. Yesterday we have done number 1. Today we will do number 2. Okay. So you have to open the page number 2. This page. Open this page, everyone. Very good. Everyone has to open this page. Now listen to me. As ma'am will tell you, you have to do the things. You will not go beyond that, or you will not speak in between. Okay? Now here in this page, you can see there is a biggest and smallest. Okay? Here there is a comparison done between three. Over there you have to tell the biggest and the smallest. From this three plate, which is the biggest plate? The blue one is the biggest plate. Okay? And which is the smallest plate? The pink one is the smallest plate. Okay? So big, bigger, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, bigger or biggest, bigger than this or smaller than this. We have learned three concepts here. Okay? From these 3 days. And we have learned three concepts, that is big, small, bigger, smaller, biggest and smallest. Okay, all the things are equally similar to each other, but how you have to say the things, that is main important. Okay, now here, what is the question written here? The biggest. Okay, so here you can see 3 balls are there, red, yellow, red, and this is white and black football. From these 3, which is the biggest one? You have to put a tick mark over there. Which is the biggest one? You have to put a tick mark there. Okay. Shlok, you will tell me which is the biggest one. Very good, Shlok. Correct one. Correct. So, the football one is the biggest one. So, what you will do? Okay, you will put a tick mark here. Okay, you will put a tick mark in the box. So this is the biggest one. Now the next question here is tick the smallest one. So again here we can see 3 books. One is red, one is orange, and there is one more red and white. This is red and yellow.
Smallest.
Very good. So the middle one is the smallest one. So tick here the smallest one. Okay. Yes. Very good, Paki. I can see you are showing me. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now I am turning the page. Okay. Now we will do the page, this page number 3. Okay, next page. Here what is written? The size is same. Okay, so sometimes it happens that 2 things, the size are same. Wait, I'll show you how. Give me a minute. Huh? Okay, here I have 2 circles. Right? Can you see? There are 2 circles. Does this circles are big or small? Anything is big from this? Show me thumbs up and thumbs down. Anything is big from this? No. Yes, Tia, I got it. You very good, correct. So when the 2 objects look like same and they have a same size, so they are called same. Okay. So here there is no difference between them. They both having a same size. So that is called same. So here you can see the both sides are having a same size. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to do the comparison and you have to look after which things are at same size. Okay. So here it is written. Pick the things that is of same size. Okay. So here we have 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. From these 3 balloons, which 2 balloons having a same size? You have to tick that 2 balloons. Which one is, okay, Yanvi is showing, Yanvi, you are showing, you are done? Okay, Yanvi, that is very good. So which two balloon has the same size? The answer will be given by, okay, Vedika. Vedika is also done. Yes. So the first one and the last one having a same size. So you have to do tick mark here. First and the last one having a same size. Right? Now, what is this? This is a goggles where we are wearing, right, sunglasses. 1, 2, 3. Now, these three, which two are having a same size? Okay, the one who is done, they will listen to me very carefully.
First and second.
Very good, Vedika. This both having a same size. 1 and 2. They both having a same size. So you will put a tick mark here. Okay? Khanak, are you doing?
I already did it.
Okay. Now the last picture is of car. Okay, here we can see car. 1 car, 2 car and 3 car. Which car having a same size?
First and
Okay. Very good. The first one? No. Okay, yes. The first one and the third one. Okay. So both is having the same size. Now this coloring you will do it at home. Okay. What you have to do again, you have to color the stars having same size. So this you will do it at home. Okay. Anybody has any doubt? Anybody is left to complete the page? No? Okay.
ma'am.
You are dead? Okay, very good. Okay, I can see Laksha, you are done. Very nice, Laksha. Now, last question, which is the star one. You will do the coloring at home. Okay? You have to color the star which is having same size. Okay? So here, anybody wants to say anything? Understood the concept? Big, bigger, smaller, biggest, small, smaller, smallest. Okay? So here we are done with this class. Okay? See you in the next class. Next class is your art and craft class. Do you all have a watercolor? Do you all have a watercolor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so keep your watercolor with you. Okay? Keep the watercolor with you. Okay, chalo. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Bye bye, ma'am. Bye now.
Bye-bye. Bye.